We're back out on the open road and we're heading for the hills. So we left Kelowna, British Columbia today and drove up West Side Road along Lake Okanagan all the way up to Vernon. It was a really turny road, but it was pretty smooth and it was beautiful right along the lake there. It was great. We got to Vernon and did some groceries, got some fuel, and then a really crazy rainstorm came out of nowhere. It only lasted a few minutes, but it was really crazy. So we continued up the valley along Shuswap River. Just outside of Cherryville, we stopped here, just south of Sugar Lake, and we missed the turnoff, but we eventually turned around and came back and found it. We got this awesome campsite. There's a few other people here, but otherwise, the river is just gorgeous here, and the mountains in the background, I don't know if you can make them out, but it's a beautiful blue sky. Went for a nice walk here. You can see all the rock and the water. Bit of rapidity behind me here. Looks like a great place for a canoe or kayak ride. But yeah, it's a great spot. Free campsite. Can't go wrong with that. And yeah, we made it. It's good to be back out on the road. See you. Catch you. It's been a crazy drive this morning. We're here in Needles, giving Izzy her first taste of life at sea. Crossing Upper Arrow Lake on the cable ferry. The view's incredible on the short passage, and the water is smooth as glass. It's a perfect way to break up the day's drive before hitting the pavement once again. We rolled up into Nakusp and stowed Izzy in the shade to go check out the waterfront. The seaside path is awesome, passing through these beautiful gardens. It's a perfect spot to take in the mountain views on this spectacular summer day.
So we followed our map that we got at the visitor center in Nakusp and stopped off at this old growth cedar trail. And it's just a 1 kilometer, 20-minute loop, but it's incredible. There's these massive old trees covered in moss, and we're the only people here. So it was a great little stop between New Denver and Kaslo.
Crawled the mountain road, hugging the icy blue Kaslo River right into the heart of town. There's plenty of space to set up Izzy along the beautiful beach and take Monty out for a lakeside stroll under the afternoon sunshine. Exploring this historic town on the sleepy Sunday afternoon was a spectacular scene. It's got old brick buildings and all set against the backdrop of the mountains and the white puffy clouds. It's a beautiful view across the lake here as well. Perfect day to check out this spot. I think it's a must on the way. We've made it to Nelson and we're rolling up to Granite Point for the night. Can't wait to check out the town tomorrow. We got a lot of exploring to do, so make sure you stick around so you don't miss a beat. Shuswap River, almost up to Cherry Lake. Cherry Hill? Cherryville. Yeah. Just south of Cherry Lake. No. What lake? Just south of Sugar Lake. Hey, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this leg of the trip. Don't forget to check out our blog at lifeenroute.com. And as always, be sure to share, like, and subscribe so you don't miss out on all the fun.